Planting and spraying season is upon us, and as you plan for irrigating your crops, you need to consider what you're asking of your center pivot. Reinke suggests focusing on system preventative maintenance rather than waiting to need repairs when a failure occurs. Always follow the instructions in the maintenance section of the owner's manual for your Reinke product to ensure system reliability and longevity. Reinke has put together a brief pre-season inspection checklist to help achieve peak performance of your irrigation system. Look for any structural or electrical hazards. Check the alignment of the system. Check the gearboxes. Remove any water condensation and fill to the proper level with the approved lubricant. Check the wheels and tires. Verify tire pressure and make sure the lug nuts are tight. Inspect the boots, clamps, gaskets, low-pressure drains, and all the components associated with the sprinklers, including goosenecks, drops, regulators, and sprinkler devices. Genuine Reinke parts, service, and guidance are available from your local certified Reinke dealer. For a complete pre-season checklist, please consult the Reinke Owner's Manual.